Let's have a look at the K2 Plus Poop Chute. Here is the top view of the Poop Chute. You will see the nozzle wiper. Notice this nozzle wiper is quite different from what you might be used to seeing on a P1P, P1S, X1C, or even an A1. However, you may notice the K2 Plus nozzle wiper does borrow the toothbrush from the A1. Most users of bamboo printers prefer the A1 toothbrush over the P1 and X1 Bowden wiper. Creality appears to have taken note. You may also notice a secondary wiper has been added to the K2 Plus in the form of this metal clip right here. Many modifications have been made to the P1P, P1S, and X1C to add a dual wiper situation where there is some form of silicone or PTFE wiper followed by a toothbrush. Creality has also appeared to take note of that and added this metal wiper followed by the toothbrush. Next to that, you'll notice the trap door. When the K2 Plus is printing, the trap door is open. When the tool head is changing filaments and needs to purge, it will park on top of this lever, closing the door. With the door closed, the filament will build on top of this plate. Then, when the tool head returns to print, the door will open and the filament will fall out the poop chute. One thing to note is the K2 trap door is rather short. There is not a whole lot of distance between the door and the nozzle. However, this higher platform might cause a more drastic drop and help avoid having filament poops become entangled and pile up, overflowing this poop chute. There is also one other difference in the way the K2 poops. Similar to the A1 printer, if the K1 has a large purge to make, it will purge multiple small poops and drop them out the poop chute, rather than create one large poop. Large poops might become sticky or stringy, causing them to become entangled, build up on one another, and then eventually clog and overflow, ruining your print. The K2 design does appear to be well thought out and have benefited from the study of previous hardware. Let's have a look at the poop chute and nozzle wiper in action. The consistency of K2 poop is impressive. Compare these K2 poops to that of the X1C, the P1S, and the A1. You can see the consistency and the cleanliness of the K2 Plus wins out dramatically.